At Uno Minda, we don't follow trends. We create them. We are not just delivering parts. We are driving the new through people, precision and purpose. Located in Sonipat, Haryana, our advanced warehouse facility spans over 2 lakh square feet and is manned by over 200 plus expert professionals. With a rapidly growing portfolio of 7,000 plus SKUs, Uno Minda serves 1,500 plus customers across the aftermarket ecosystem, spanning spares, accessories, lubricants and batteries, tailored to meet the evolving needs of India's vehicles. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh, we cover over 300 plus cities, 7,000 plus pin codes and powered by 10 plus pan-India transporters. On an average day, we handle over 10,000 plus boxes, incoming and outgoing, across 12 plus dedicated docking stations. With each movement powered by digital accuracy and people excellence. Automation drives our efficiency, from collapsible conveyors and auto-stopping lines to our smart warehouse management system. Every process is built to deliver faster, safer, smarter. Our dedicated battery handling zone is equipped with advanced charging stations, ensuring safety, voltage integrity, and end-to-end quality control. Every great process begins with great people. At our in-house dojo training center, team members are trained on safety protocols, on-the-job skills, and continuous excellence. With 24/7 dispatch operations, our warehouse never sleeps. Our expert retailers recommend us, our skilled mechanics rely on us, and our consumers count on us. With world-class automation, tech-led systems, and seamless operations, we are not just meeting demand, we are driving the new. So, if the experts trust us, it's time you do too. Expert ki suno, Uno Minda chuno.